Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I've always had lots of stomach issues, and just for overall health, I really love taking a probiotic pill. It adds in such a difference for me. This one from Codeage is a really great probiotic that has lots of great ingredients that have been making me feel a lot better. This probiotic pill is vegan, gluten-free, and it's non-GMO. So I feel confident and safe in using this product. It has lots of great fruit extracts in it, and all of them add in to make one capsule that is easy to swallow, and it has no aftertaste. Now the product does have fennel in it, and I find that that is really the only ingredient that I will taste just a little bit after I take this pill. But it definitely, for my digestion, does not cause any burping or discomfort. Taking a probiotic has always been super important to me, and I really feel confident and comfortable taking this pill. If you're looking for a probiotic that is easy to swallow and also does not have a severe aftertaste, go with this one. It's been working great for me, and you may find it works great for you as well. And that's my point of view.